Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 9th, 2023. We're here to talk about ADA or Cardano because now we wait. I mean, you guys can see from the chart that we need to wait to find the buyers. The market it's just amazing how fast the market could not find any buyers ever since the market high in ADA on February the 16th, 2023. Like the market just completely fell off a cliff and it just in a nosedive. Look at that. No one is trying to come in and keep this price up in ADA. So now we wait until we find the buyers. Now, can I say that we're surprised? No, we're not, because you guys can see that our price prediction is literally coming to fruition right now. We did an update video in ADA on the 2nd of March, 2023. Okay, right here. This is where the price in ADA was trading at that particular moment here. And we were continuing to be weak into the market. So if you guys were to get out this particular situation or prediction now, you guys will be up 10.25%. Now, currently, looking at how the market is not hinting at any emphasis of strength or buyers coming to the market, we need to go ahead and actually anticipate continuation of move down, which is why we wait. We simply come through and see how the market looks from a charts perspective and see how low the market is going to move in ADA. And look like we may actually see it come down to 30 cents. So let me go ahead and put this on the 2-day chart. We'll see if the market is still giving us some weakness. You guys can see it here on the current 2-day price bar that there is some weakness in the market here in ADA. Okay, you guys can see that there. Let's take a look at this on the 3-day chart. Okay, so you guys can still see there's no demand coming in on the 3-day chart. Here it is on the 5-day, the weekly chart, 2-weekly chart. Now, from a 2-weekly chart perspective, okay, I'm just going to give you all the heads up now that if ADA concludes the way that this current 2-weekly price bar looks, then definitely we're going to see the market run all the way down here to our ultimate TP price of 30 cents. I know I don't want to be the bearer of bad news, but if anything, we want to be prepared for these price actions so that we will make the right decision as to what we need to do. Okay, so that doesn't look too good on a 2-weekly chart. Here it is on the 3 weeks as well. 5-weekly chart. Let's give it 3 days and 13 hours. And currently here on this 5-weekly price bar in ADA, we're definitely noticing how price is weak. Okay, so the market is telling us that the market is not really being sold on ADA continuing to go up right now. We saw price get rejected right there around 40 cents. We're definitely seeing the market give us more weakness here. I'm really trying to pay attention to 30 cents though, for us to get a look at to see whether or not the buyers are going to pop in or if they're going to pop through. Okay, so again, this is just a simple update into the market in ADA. Let's pay attention to 31 cents and then 30 cents to see if we'll get the buyers. Okay, until that moment, we need to understand that the market is currently reflecting that it is not a buy. Okay, so we're looking around 30 cents to 31 cents for buyers. So right now, like if you were to make a plan, you already know that this particular market in ADA is not a buy until we see buyers show up. Okay, so if you're looking at the market trade in ADA around 31 cents, for example, but you're not seeing any indication that buyers are coming through to keep the price propped, then you know that that's not going to be support. Then you know that buyers are not really going to be there. Then you look towards 30 cents. If you guys don't see buyers showing up around 30 cents, then you already know that we're going to go a lot lower than what we've anticipated here on this particular chart. Okay, so this is how you're supposed to maneuver and anticipate these things in this space. You need to get quote unquote confirmation that the market is about to reverse from what it's been doing. It's about to change from what it's been, how it's been trading. And right to right now, we haven't seen the change occur. Now, one of the amazing things is that you really don't see in trading and the markets is how a market hits a sustained trend, right? Like this price action in ADA just is, the slope of this down move is monumental. It's phenomenal as to how this price just completely fell off. Like we began the 2023, January 2023, we began the market off of a massive run up. Like the market in ADA was on a massive trend, and now for us to not even see buyers attempt to hold price is, you rarely see that. So definitely lets us know that this prior move up in ADA was maybe a sucker move to try to catch people off guard into thinking that we may begin to start a new bull market. That's what it looks like, because now there's no one really trying to come in and is convinced that ADA is going to continue to move up. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. What I'm going to do though is going to look at 31 cents to 30 cents to see if the buyers show up there. All right, so I'm done. Hopefully that has given you all the update as to what we're seeing on the charts in ADA. If you guys want to participate and learn more, subscribe to the channel. And if anything, make sure you maintain the profits. I'll talk to you all later.